Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with SM. Today I discuss about Old English period. The Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period. The Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period extended from the invasion of Celtic England by Germanic tribes. The Angles, the Saxon and Jules. In the first half of the 5th century, in the first half of 5th century, the conquest of England in 1066 by the Norman French under the leadership of William the Conqueror. The Anglo-Saxons were then converted to Christianity in 17th century. The Anglo-Saxons were converted to Christianity in 17th century. English literature started with song and stories from those three tribes. Its subjects were the sea, the weeds, battles, adventure, and love of home. Their poetry reflected their profound emotion and bravery. Accents, alliteration, and sudden break for of each line gave their poetry a kind of material rhythm. The main characteristic of Anglo-Saxon literature are the love of freedom, responsiveness to nature, strong religious conviction, belief in fate, respect to womanhood, and a devotion of glory as the ruling motive in every warrior life. Was the first great heroic folk epic of unknown author. It is a story about 3,000 lines. A brave young man, Beowulf from southern Sweden, goes to help to get the king of Danish and kill a terrible monster. Grendel and should brave his people from a fire-breathing creature. He kills the creature but gets badly wounded and dies. The poem ends with Beowulf's funeral. There is no rhyme but alliteration is used in each. Thank you watching this video.